If you're doing OSINT or open source intelligence, you need to have the correct tools. Today I'm going to reveal one of the best tools for OSINT. A lot of people don't know about this, but they should. It will save you so much time and develop your OSINT skills. Let's dive right into it. Before we start, let's explain what OSINT is. Open source intelligence refers to the process of collecting and analyzing information from publicly available sources. These sources can include the internet, social media, and more. OSINT is utilized by a wide range of actors, including government agencies, journalists, and researchers. The accessibility of OSINT tools and techniques means they can be used by anyone looking to gather information and insights from public sources. The best tool for OSINT is the OSINT Framework. Check this out. This website has overview of and lists all the tools you'll ever need when working with OSINT. Let's say you want to do some research on usernames. You can just expand this section, and it will show you all the relevant tools you can use for this specific task. For instance, username search engines. Let's test one of these tools. It's called NameCheck. It's pretty straightforward to use. If you have a username you want to check where else this username is registered, this is the perfect tool. If it's a unique username, the chances are pretty high for it to reveal a person's digital footprint. By the way, it's also super useful if you are trying to find a unique brand name or OSINT persona that doesn't exist anywhere. Now let's say you wanted to do some research on email addresses. This framework has plenty of options for you. You'll find email search tools, email verification tools, and the tools for searching in data breaches pretty awesome. Okay, check out this cool tool called OSINT Industries. This website both looks nice and has amazing features. It can search for emails on more than 200 websites for you at once. By the way, if you want me to help you with OSINT, let me know in the comments and hit that like button. Now let's look at another awesome tool. It's called That's Them, and it is a reverse email lookup. It can find the owner of an email address. It might also have several records if the ownership has changed, so make sure you check out all the information it has for you. But be cautious, it might have some false positives. Always double check the information to verify that it's correct. Now let's see what else this OSINT framework has to offer. You can do research on domain names, of course. You can find out who owns domain, but remember, most people have privacy enabled, so you might get some default information displayed from the domain registrar. One nice tool that I want to share is called DNS Twister. If you suspect someone is impersonating you or you want to find similar domains like the ones you own that someone else might have registered, you can use this tool. Let's take it for a spin. Let's search for Google and see what happens. As you can see, this tool will list all similar domains like the one you enter, alongside with their IP address and if they have a mail server connected as well. This information tells you that someone might be able to send emails using these alternative domains. You also get a ton of tools for IP address analysis. You can check the location, the reputation of a domain name, find hidden subdomains, and all sorts of search engines that might give you some valuable intelligence for your OSINT efforts. One specific tool I would like to highlight here is an IP logger. These tools are awesome. So let's say you want to find someone's IP address, especially if you're talking to them but have no idea how to do it. You can use an IP logger to send the target a link, just a plain simple link, and when they click on it, you will have their exact IP and sometimes also their location. I like this one. It's called iplogger.org and works wonders. Try it out. You also have a bunch of tools for analyzing images, videos, webcams, documents, and even fonts. One tool to check out in this category is a webcam directory called Instacam. It's the world's biggest directory of online surveillance security cameras. Select a country to watch live street, traffic, parking, office, or other cameras. Only filtered cameras are available now. This way, none of the cameras on Instacam invade anybody's private life. Another nice tool is ImageOps. You can upload an image or submit a URL to an image, and you will get a ton of information about an image with this tool. Everything from checking the EXIF metadata, location info, what font is being used if there is text in the image. You also, of course, have a lot of tools for social media OSINT. Social media is like a big open book that anyone can read, and there are many tools out there that help us understand this book better. These tools let us look closely at what people are posting, what's trending, and how people interact with each other online. Whether you're trying to find out what people think about a certain topic, keeping an eye out for safety issues, or just trying to stay ahead in the OSINT game, these tools are very handy. They make it easier for anyone who needs to gather information and learn from what's happening in the world of social media. One important tool to know about in this area is called OSINTgram. It's like a magnifying glass for Instagram, helping you see more than you can with just your eyes. With OSINTgram, you can dig into profiles, see what people like, who they follow, and much more. It's really useful for anyone who wants to gather information from Instagram for research, keeping things safe, or just understanding trends better. So, if you're curious about what's happening behind the scenes on Instagram, OSINTgram is a tool you should definitely check out. Geolocation tools in the realm of open source intelligence, OSINT, are specialized software and techniques used to determine the physical location of objects, individuals, or events based on publicly available data. These tools comb through social media posts, online photos, videos, and any digital content that can provide location-specific clues. For OSINT practitioners such as journalists, security professionals, and researchers, these tools are invaluable for verifying facts, investigating incidents, or tracking trends without needing direct access to private or classified information. By analyzing data like geotags in social media posts or metadata in publicly shared images, these tools can uncover the whereabouts of a subject of interest or the location of an event, providing crucial context to open-source investigations. In more advanced applications, OSINT geolocation tools enable analysts to piece together information from a variety of sources to create a comprehensive picture of a situation. This can include mapping the movements of individuals over time, identifying the location of infrastructure relevant to security assessments, or verifying the authenticity of images and videos related to news events. The ability to cross-reference and validate location data increases the reliability of OSINT findings, making geolocation tools a cornerstone of effective open-source investigations. The precision and depth of insights gained from these tools depend on the skill of the user in leveraging diverse data sources and interpreting the information accurately. The ethical use of geolocation tools in OSINT work is paramount. While these tools offer powerful capabilities for uncovering information, they also raise privacy and security concerns. Practitioners must navigate the delicate balance between gathering valuable intelligence and respecting individual privacy. As such, the use of geolocation tools in OSINT is guided by legal frameworks and ethical guidelines to ensure that investigations are conducted responsibly. The evolving landscape of digital information continues to challenge and expand the capabilities of geolocation tools, making them an essential component of modern OSINT methodologies for a wide array of applications, from humanitarian efforts to cybersecurity. Now let's talk about OSINT automation tools. These are designed to streamline the collection and analysis of publicly available data for intelligence purposes. These tools automate the process of gathering information from various open sources like social media platforms, online forums, public databases, and websites. OSINT automation tools significantly enhance efficiency and accuracy. They can quickly sift through vast amounts of data, identify relevant information, and organize it in a way that's easy to understand and act upon. This capability is crucial for staying ahead in environments where speed and data accuracy are paramount. The strength of OSINT automation tools lies in their ability to perform repetitive tasks at scale, such as monitoring specific keywords, tracking online trends, or alerting users to new information related to their area of interest. This allows analysts to focus on higher-level tasks, such as interpreting the data and making strategic decisions. These tools can often cross-reference data from multiple sources, helping to validate findings and uncover connections that might not be apparent at first glance. Whether it's tracking the digital footprint of a cyber threat actor, verifying the source of a news story, or understanding consumer sentiment about a product, automation tools play a pivotal role in extracting actionable intelligence from the sea of online data. While these tools access publicly available information, the way in which data is collected, analyzed, and shared must comply with legal standards and respect individual privacy. The evolving nature of online data sources and the continuous development of automation technologies also mean that users must stay informed about the capabilities and limitations of their tools.